How to fix Facebook page not eligible. So go ahead and open your Facebook app. Now at the right side you'll see 3 bars, so click on that. Now go ahead and go to help and support. So you can see here it says report a problem. So go ahead and click on report a problem. And then you can shake it where the problem is, or you can just continue to report a problem. So you can include your logs and diagnostics in report, or you can press don't include. So go ahead and select where you're facing the problem. So if you scroll down, you'll see the option of pages, so click on that. So go ahead and describe the issue. So you can say that even though I have met the criteria, I'm still not eligible of my Facebook page, and you can describe the issue in detail, and you can upload the specific screenshots of you meeting the criteria and how it says that you are still not eligible. And once you describe the issue, you can go ahead and send your report, and this issue should be solved within a few days.